This is me, Harshvardhan Bharti from Agri Nucleus. Today we will solve some important questions or MCQs of biochemistry and biotechnology. So let's start. First, example of a disaccharide is raffinose. ATP are nucleotides. Optimum pH for pepsin enzyme is 0.5 to 2. Which storage protein fraction is high in sorghum and maize? Answer is prolamine. Which enzyme is associated with carbohydrate metabolism? Answer is hexokinase. Codons are present on mRNA. Okay. Which one is correct statement? Protein synthesis is an anaerobic process. ये correct statement है. Okay. HMP shunt is process associated with carbohydrates. How many enzymatic reaction take place in EMF pathway in an aerobic condition? There are 10 reaction. Okay. Which one of the following is heterocyclic amino acid? Answer is histidine. Lipids are metabolized through beta oxidation. किससे होते हैं लिपिड मेटाबोलाइज? बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन से. ओके. इन एनिमल विच कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज फाउंड एज एनर्जी सोर्स? दैट इज ग्लाइकोजन. ओके. Which one of the following is not a PCR based molecular marker? Answer is RFLP. Cryopreservation agent इसमें से कौन सा है? लिक्विड और सॉलिड. इसका आंसर है सॉलिड CO2. Which one of the following vector is commonly used in plant transformation? Answer is agrobacterium. What is the pH of 1NHCl? Answer is 0.0. Inulin is a polymer of fructose. Waxes are monoglycerides. Starch is a polymer of glucose. Following is an essential fatty acid. Answer is linoleic acid. Which of the following is limiting amino acid in cereals? Answer is lysine. How many ATP molecules are produced from the one NADH molecule? Answer is 3. Zeta ion obtain following charge on the molecule. Answer is 0 charge. Zeta ions होते हैं उन पे क्या होता है? 0 charge होता है. Lock and key hypothesis was given by Emil Fischer in 1998. Which of the following process is rich source of energy production? ये है beta oxidation of fat. Chemically paper is a carbohydrate. Nature of cell wall is non-living. Cell wall is non-living. How many double bonds are found in linoleic acid? Answer is 3. How many carbons are present in an arachidonic acid? Answer is 20. Enantiomer of D-glucose is 12% L-glucose. N is a protein. इसका आंसर होगा protein. Sulfur containing essential amino acid is methionine. The metal atom present in chlorophyll is magnesium. Fatty acid oxidation takes place is mitochondria. इसका आंसर होगा mitochondria. The bond present in nucleic acid is phosphodiester bond. The secondary metabolite present in opium is alkaloid. Example of an unsaturated fatty acid is arachidonic acid. The fluid mosaic model was given by Singer and Nicholson. Plant biotechnology deals with the improvement of the production of plants in order to supply the basic needs of all of the above: food, fiber and fuel, pharmaceuticals and industrial compounds. Temperature of tissue culture room should be 25 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Multiplication stage in micropropagation can be achieved by auxiliary bud enhancement. Okay. Thermobile chemicals can be sterilized by filter sterilization. Which of the following explant is mostly used for protoplast isolation? Answer is leaf. YAC vectors are used for cloning DNA segments into YAC का फुल फॉर्म होता है yeast artificial chromosome. इसका आंसर है 300 kilobase. The term protoplast was coined by Mukherjee. Okay. Which one of the following would you recommend it for the use of commercial micropropagation? Answer is banana. Formation of protein using mRNA as template is known as translation. Okay. The HOH bond angle of water is about 104.5. Which of the following has alpha-1,4 glycosidic linkage in its molecule? Answer is maltose. In solution, when alpha and beta forms of sugar change into one another to maintain the equilibrium, the phenomena is known as a mutarotation. Okay. How many ATP molecules are formed from complete oxidation of acetyl coenzyme? Answer is 12 ATP. Which of the following is most important structure for biologically active proteins? Answer is tertiary structure. Phosphodiester bond is present in nucleic acids. Which of the following linkage is present in amylose? Answer is A1,4. Okay. Enzyme is sensitive to pH values. Which of the following is diunsaturated fatty acid? Answer is linoleic acid. Who was the first use the word clone? Answer is Weber. RAPD is a dominant marker. Multiplication of genetically identical individual by asexual reproduction is called as clonal propagation. System is not PCR based. Answer is RFLP. Okay. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video and do like, share and subscribe for the latest updates.